Set up again. What I wanted to show today too, always check your ring gaps. I keep an old piston with a ring on it for these engines to get it square. You can no gap at all. How about that? Let's see what the second ring is got to say. That was the top ring. Here's the second oil, the second compression ring. I've had this with all the top rings so far. Zero gap. These are King, not King, David. They've been running 15 on this, so they're usually pretty close. Yeah, 15. Okay, that's 15. Now, this top ring, no gap. See, if you want to check that, you probably wouldn't have been able, in this case, get the piston in. But if it didn't have enough gap in it, you didn't check it. When the engine got hot, it expands, no place to go. Still got more. This piston came out of that green mark. We'll take a picture of that before I say. Somebody knurled the piston old school. When the bore was bigger and wore out and stuff, they used to do this. That was a rebuilt motor too, when the car came in here. And I had to rebuild it. We're starting to get a visual gap. Let's see what we got cooking here. Well, there's 6. I've been trying for 14, so factory recommendation.